In the idyllic landscapes of Mauritius, a compelling story unfolds, marked by two substantial challenges. Our journey begins with the first significant challenge: climate change, an invisible force threatening agriculture. The National Climate Change Adaptation Policy Framework predicts a 30% decline in agricultural production by 2050. Already, this forecast is taking its toll. Abandoned farms and reduced yields tell the story of struggling farmers and unpredictable weather. The consequences are far-reaching, with crop losses during harvest due to environmental stresses, both living and environmental. The second challenge is the high dependency on imported agricultural inputs for both crop and livestock production. Decreases in productivity due to climate change and inadequate farm inputs leave the farmers with dwindling income. Increased reliance on costly imported resources like agrochemicals and feed ingredients worsens their plight. But amidst these challenges, a glimmer of hope emerges. The solution lies in climate-resilient agriculture, a commitment to innovation that safeguards the sector. The primary objective is to drive innovation in agriculture by bolstering the research and development capacity of the Food and Agricultural Research and Extension Institute.
So DeSIRA is an initiative from the European Union to try to support agricultural research so that it can contribute to agricultural development. We see that agriculture is at a crossroads. Climate change is definitely affecting it, whether in Mauritius, in the rest of the world. So the European Union has been supporting a number of countries in the world to really upgrade their research capacities so that their research services and the extension services can provide better support to farmers to adapt their practices, their business models, their technologies to take into account climate change and at the same time to improve their livelihoods. So this project has now lasted for 4 years. It has been extended because COVID has made it difficult at the start, but it has had 4 years of support to FAREI. Also, there was a similar one with the University of Mauritius on other issues, but also related to agriculture. And it has developed a number of research areas for FAREI, a lot based on equipment. Now there's still a challenge and a task ahead of us to really make sure that all this investment in new research capacity is translated into research results, and in the end that these research results are translated into technological packages that will really be useful for farmers to use in their fields.
This will address climate change challenges and promote climate-smart practices for sustainable production. The specific objectives include: 1. Enhancing food security and the economic contribution of agriculture to the country. 2. Ensuring the availability of safe, high-quality food for the local population and potential export. 3. Promoting the sustainable management of land, water, and other natural resources. The project encompasses the enhancement of research facilities through the upgrading of laboratories and research stations, the use of biotechnology and renewable alternatives to agrochemicals, the establishment of a soil, water, and plant laboratory facility, the development of advanced technologies to optimize feed resources, sustainable pest and disease management practices, introduction of new crops and livestock, development of cahiers de charge for production of quality products, and use of ICT for data collection and dissemination systems, the utilization of local animal genetic resources, climate-smart water-saving technologies, and controlled environments for breeding trials are also part of this endeavour. The initiative extends to capacity building for researchers and professionals.
Alors les formations que nous avons faites sont des formations qui sont extrêmement complètes, très détaillées, très précises, qui permettent justement à l'éleveur, à l'abatteur, au transformateur et même derrière au découpeur et peut-être au client de pouvoir bien connaître toutes les étapes et d'identifier tous les points faibles pour justement les améliorer et perfectionner la filière. Donc la formation est quelque chose qui est très important et le FAREI a fait quelque chose d'extraordinaire dans sa manière de la construire, mais aussi dans la manière d'accompagner toutes les personnes qui y ont participé.
Là, nous pouvons faire bien technique parce que nous avons un technicien européen qui vient, Maurice, peut expliquer nous dans quelle direction nous devons aller. Nous devons corriger tous nos défauts dans l'élevage et nous pouvons amener la viande de qualité pour le marché. Au fichier FAREI, je peux capable, comment dire, à l'externe tout ça nous affaires là avec les autres éleveurs, ceux qui peuvent venir et nous capables de dire aux éleveurs pas faire erreur. Si nous avons envie d'aller de l'avant, c'est de besoin d'aller dans cette direction là.
With the support of DeSIRA, FAREI has embarked since 2019 on the implementation of several activities to adapt and mitigate climate change impacts. This effort aligns with its mission to foster innovation in agriculture, bolster food security and safety, and contribute to sustainable development while reducing poverty and vulnerability. The DeSIRA initiative aims to further solidify FAREI's capacity to address these challenges. The project enhances food safety and sustainable production practices by upgrading FAREI's research and development capabilities, particularly in biotechnology and renewable alternatives to agrochemicals. The initiative also strengthens institutional capacities in integrated pest management, IPM technologies, surveillance, and early pest and disease detection.
Le projet DeSIRA m'a trouvé vraiment bénéfique. Définissant ma façon de planter complètement. Nous pouvons planter de façon traditionnelle, mais un training qui nous fait gagner, le système qui nous plantait, nous servir agroécologie, nous planter, nous fin arriver, nous fin diminuer mon usage de pesticides et fertilisants par 75%.
FAREI engages in research and development activities focused on sustainable agriculture practices, resource conservation technologies, and biofarming to boost resilience to climate change.
Major achievements that FAREI can be proud is that we have been able to grow button mushroom for the first time in Mauritius. Secondly, we have also been able to set up a new soil and water facilities. This facility will benefit the farmers. We have also been able to upgrade research facilities such as the Pamplemousse Organic Research Stations, and we have also upgraded the livestock research facilities. The list is a very long one, but these are the major achievements.
The project fosters systemic resilience by improving data and information management to support early warning systems and dissemination. It promotes the use of new ICT technologies, including drones, to assist small farming operations in water and disease management, provide crop intelligence, and assess farm livestock performance. In the narrative of our journey up to November 2023, we've witnessed remarkable milestones. A new soil water lab is now operational. Laboratories and research station have been upgraded. An agroforestry plot has been set up for research and demonstration. Innovative farming practices such as proper feeding and sustainable waste management, vertical farming, and efficient water and energy-saving irrigation system, among others, have been set up and have revitalized agriculture, resulting in higher yields. The successful cultivation of button mushrooms is a significant feat, with plans to transfer this technology to aspiring entrepreneurs. Unique crops like blueberries, lychee, and avocado varieties have been introduced and shared with local farmers. Our battle against the diamondback moth in cabbage cultivation has seen success with an integrated pest management package, significantly reducing pesticide usage. Protocols for fruit and vegetable processing have been refined. Across the island, automatic weather stations provide real-time data, aiding in irrigation planning and disease forecasting. The acquisition and breeding of dairy goats have begun, benefiting farmers and entrepreneurs utilising the milk for value-added products. The Cahier des Charges for Quality Pork Production booklet empowers pig farmers, enhancing farm management practices, increasing production and meeting food safety standards. Research officers have received valuable training, and farmers have improved their skills and productivity through various project activities.
The EU DeSIRA project came at the most opportune time when the FAREI is called upon to come up with sustainable solutions to address food security issues. The funding from the EU has not only strengthened the research and extension capacity of the FAREI to address climate change impacts, it has also enabled us to translate the research results into best practices for the benefit of our farmers. Moreover, the digital platform that has been developed to streamline research and extension activities will enable the FAREI to provide more efficient and effective service for the farmers and for our stakeholders in a timely manner. I must say that the journey from the initial concept to the final execution of the project has been very challenging. We have learned invaluable lessons that will definitely shape our future endeavors. While the project has come to its end, we at the FAREI will continue our mission to build up resilience in the agri-food sector. I wish to thank the European Union and the Ministry of Agro-Industry and Food Security, as well as our stakeholders, for all the support they have given us for this implementation of the project. I look forward for more collaboration within this partnership.
As the tale of challenges and unwavering resolve, it's a call to action, a promise that agriculture will remain a pillar of our nation, ensuring prosperity and food security for generations to come for the Republic of Mauritius.